Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for an awesome, really clear sounding lav mic, I have the one for you. This is from Tokdance, and I really am in love with how crisp and clear that this mic is. The mic system comes in a really easy to use box. Everything that you need is in here, no matter what device that you're using. So this mic can be used whether you have Apple devices, Android, you can even use it with your computer, thanks to the 3 different options that it came with. To use the different options, it can easily be swapped out with the receiver that you plug into your device. The mics easily clip on to your clothing or lapel, or you can use it by holding it right in your hand while you're talking. So you get about 18 hours of battery life using the box to charge, and the mics themselves give you about 5 hours. So here is a demonstration of how well and crystal clear that this mic is. So this is me in an open room going without my mic. This is me standing in the same spot, everything working and fully operating. You can really see the difference in the clarity and how well that this mic picks up. It's obvious that the company really has catered this to social media use. You can really use the mic however you want. It's very adaptable and it's easy to take with you wherever you go thanks to that carrying box, and it's easy to hold onto as well. Whether you use this mic system on a meeting or while you're doing some vlogging, you will have lots of fun using it, and you can also be reassured that everything will come out crystal clear because it's so great at blocking out noise. But that's my point of view.